As a Christian, almost 42 churches in Telugu among the people. We are supporting the government. At the same time, many Hindus also there. Nowadays, Hindu people, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, he provided a nice place to the temple. Already Krishna Mandir is there. Some of the mandirs are there. Sikh people also, they are worshipping themselves. Not only Christian, Hindus also, they were giving good priority. They never say, don't release, don't behind, you should not take. This kind of problems we are facing. But why? Nowadays, since many years, just I want to bring some few words to your notice. In 1980, nearby that days, V.V. Giri, he was the President of India. He passed a rule against the Christians. Even the President of India, he can't do such a things. You are after all 4 or 5 crores of people, Andhra people. You are the Chief Minister. You must see with your own eyes what problems for Christians are facing in Andhra Pradesh. This is my humble request. As an NRI, I am asking this question to the Andhra Pradesh government. Just, I am bringing only few things to your notice. I don't want to disturb you. If you pass that, whatever the constitution against the Christian people in Andhra Pradesh, within soon time, your government will be destroyed. There are many people here. Almost 65 lakhs people are here. Within these people, many Hindu people also, they are converted to the Christianity because they want salvation. They want to go to the true God. We have freedom here. We are playing here. We don't have any objection here. We are playing here like anything more than Andhra Pradesh. No objection at all from the local government. Even Mr. Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, as a adopted son, Mr. Pawan Kalyan, Hinduism, Sanatana Dharmam, that is his agenda. What is the meaning of Sanatana Dharmam? That Dharma for what? It's like a paper. You put in the fire, it will be burned. Nothing is there. If you say Sanatana Dharmam, that means whoever died, after that, that lady should be burned along with her husband in the fire. This is called Sanatana Dharma. Whoever getting a marriage, in that marriage, that first night will be, that groom, she has to go to the Pandit, Brahmin, he is the Pujari. This is the Sanatana Dharma. What for you are doing such a things in Andhra Pradesh? Once again I am telling you, as a NRI, we are here almost 6.5 lakhs Telugu people. Most of the people they converted because they want salvation. They want a true God. If they are in India, they are begging like anything. They don't have proper food. They don't have proper shelter. Whatever your governments are promising to the people, what you fulfill in Andhra Pradesh or entire India, this is a challenge for our Indian government. This is my humble request. Whatever you are thinking, you must withdraw that. You have to take care for all the people. It should be equal. No religion, no Hindu, no Muslim, no Christian. As a human, you must think. Whatever you can serve to the people, you have to serve that. That's it. We don't want more than this. We are very happy life we are enjoying here. No objection. No any disturbances here. If any disturbance is there, how we stay here? If you did such a things to the Andhra Pradesh people, even in Emirates, if you give a complaint to the His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, after that he will destroy the temples.